Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I am here to do a very simple tres leche. Trust and believe your family is going to love it, even though it's shortcut. But yes, they're gonna still love it, trust me. Sorry if I sound a little bit funny. I'm getting over a cold. But I'm gonna try my best to do this voiceover. So let's go. So I'm gonna start off by mixing the cake. I am gonna be using 3 boxes. I am making this for a crowd. So yeah, you use 2 to 3 boxes. And make sure you follow the directions in the back of the box. I'm using yellow cake, but you could also use white if you want. So once I'm finished adding everything that was required in the box, I am gonna go and mix it. And yes, my son had to help me because let me tell you, I need to buy a hand mixer for real, for real. Since I'm making this for a big crowd, I got 2 pans. Make sure that you put it evenly, okay? Also make sure that you bang it a couple of times for all the air bubbles could come out. And then we're gonna put it in the oven.
The next day.
Considering that I had to do a whole bunch of food and do all the food prepping and everything by myself, I did resume this the very next day. When it came out of the oven, I ended up putting it in the refrigerator, and this is where the next day comes into play. Now, you do not have to do it the way I did it. Let's say you want to do it today, just make your cake early and then wait about an hour. Make sure the cake cools for you to do this step. You do not have to do the cake a day before, none of that stuff. I chose to do it like that because I had a lot of cooking to do. Anyhow, let's resume with this video. I am gonna wash my strawberries and then I'm gonna slice them. You could use strawberries, you could use raspberry, you could use blueberry. It's your kitchen, you do what you want. But I love strawberries. I'm not a really big fan of blueberry or raspberry, but that's what I ended up using. Make sure you wash your strawberries. I put the bowl of strawberries in water, making sure that it washes. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you the milks we're going to use. We're going to use a can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and regular milk, 1 cup. I am going to place it to a bowl and I'm gonna just mix all of the 3 milks together. Make sure that you mix it very, very well, okay? So I finished mixing all the 3 milks, and I'm gonna use this skewer, I hope I'm saying that right, to make holes into the cake. You could use a fork, you could use a toothpick, just something that will make holes in your cake, for that way all the milks could seep into that cake. And make sure you do it on the edges as well. So it's time to add the milk into the cake. Make sure that you do it slowly, take your time, make sure you go on the edges, very important, and all over your cake. Now this part is very important, so please pay attention. Once you finish adding your milks to your cake, you're going to want to go and put that in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. You want to make sure that the milk seeped through your cake and all that. So 4 hours in the refrigerator. So 4 hours has passed. I got my cakes right there on deck, and I am about to go and slice the strawberries. Now you could do your own Cool Whip, and that's fine and dandy, but we're doing this shortcut, honey. Yes, we are, okay? So we're gonna use Cool Whip. I will highly suggest use Cool Whip, not the one that comes in a can. Oh my goodness, what is it called? Oh my god, what is it called? Whipped cream. Don't use whipped cream, okay? This is real life, I'm recording this. Don't use whipped cream. Use Cool Whip, because I feel like the texture holds better, okay? Rather than the whipped cream. The spray one, it will make the top very, very discombobulated. Trust me, I've made that mistake. Once you add your Cool Whip, I just couldn't believe that I couldn't remember whipped cream. Anyway, once you finish putting the Cool Whip, you're gonna want to go and add some powdered cinnamon on the top. It's optional, you don't have to, but it really, really tastes good. And then you're gonna put your strawberries. How you decorate it, that's on you. This is how I'm doing it. When it comes to cakes, I know how to do cakes real, real good. But when it comes to making it pretty, I'm not a big fan of that. But yeah, you do it the way you want to do it, okay? And bam! There's your shortcut tres leche that I'm gonna guarantee your family is gonna love. Very few ingredients. I know you can make this at home. And that's basically it. I am so sorry that I have not been very consistent in this channel. I kind of slacked off. Number one, I needed a break. Everybody needs a break from YouTube to get things done. Number two, I was in my spring cleaning and I have fibromyalgia, so I have to work from room to room, one day at a time. And number three, I was just taking care of a lot of other things. So please do not abandon my channel. please make sure that you tell your friends and your family about my channel. Let them know that it's from step to step and all that good stuff. You know, give a girl a shout out, okay? Give me a shout out. But yes, I'm gonna start being consistent. I'm gonna make it my business to upload at least 1 or 2 videos per week. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys understand me. I do have a whole bunch of pre-recorded videos that I'm gonna put on this channel, so be on the lookout for those videos. With that being said, take care, God bless, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,